There's no light.
Okay.
It's too dark in there. Where the fuck is Ruze?
Where's Ruze?
Oh shit!
Flashback.
Where the fuck is Ruze?
Where's Ruze?
Oh shit! I hear something.
Okay, no. I'm not going in there. Okay.
No.
I think I answered my own fucking question. What the fuck was that? I heard gurgling. Is that a baby? Ruze, where are you? Fuck you. Fuck you.
Hey,
Jesus, I thought you were dead.
what the heck?
Was that you? Were you?
Yeah, it was me.
Oh, you fucking monster. That fucking terrified me.
That's crazy.